Hey Alexa, I'm on customoffsets.com right now. I'm looking to get a lift kit for my truck, but I'm gonna need some help. I can't decide if I want the BDS or the rough country. You got any ideas for me?
Here are a few top-rated ones. Lift, Kit and Caboodle Pet Care Service, LLC, Lifestyle Lift.
Sounds to me like you could use a Brad.
A what? Hey, Brad?
What's up?
Hey, Brad, I'm on the Custom Offsets website right now, and I can't figure out what lift kit I want on my truck. It's kind of a toss-up between BDS or rough country. Do you have any helpful advice for me?
Well, I guess it depends on what you're after, Kevin. If you're looking for a good quality lift kit for the money that's not going to break the bank, I'd say definitely go with the rough country. Otherwise, if you got a little more money to spend and you're looking for something higher quality with more options and something that's just going to hold up the test of time, then I'd probably say go with the BDS.
Hey Brad, I just bought this lift kit from customoffsets.com. Do I install these shocks body up or body down?
With the shocks you're using, you're going to want to run those body down on your truck. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Nope, that's it. Thanks, Brad.
Only Custom Offsets has Brad.
Hey Brad, oh, I heard the beeps. Hey Brad, I just bought a,
Like this far back?
yes.
Oh my god, my cock's gonna show. Alright, do it.
Yeah.
Headset.